Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here as we dive into a comprehensive guide to automating workflows, optimizing system performance, and implementing enterprise-grade scheduling strategies in ServiceNow. The focus of today's session is mastering ServiceNow scheduled jobs, including configuration tips and best practices. Over the next few slides, we'll explore how to make your automation more efficient, reliable, and scalable. So let's get started. System health is critical for keeping your ServiceNow instance running smoothly. It helps maintain optimal performance, ensures data integrity, and automates complex workflows that might otherwise require a lot of manual effort. When we talk about system health, we're referring to activities like data synchronization, automated record generation, system cleanup scripts, and reporting automation. These are all essential tasks that keep everything working seamlessly behind the scenes. Now let's consider common use cases. Imagine tasks that need to run automatically at specific times or intervals. These are perfect for automation. By scheduling these tasks, you can eliminate manual work and significantly reduce human error, which is a huge advantage in maintaining system reliability. This is where automated execution, particularly scheduled jobs, plays a vital role. Scheduled jobs form the backbone of ServiceNow automation. They allow your instance to perform critical tasks without manual intervention. These powerful tools execute predefined actions at set times or intervals, so your system stays healthy and your data remains synchronized without you having to lift a finger. So, in essence, scheduled jobs enable your ServiceNow environment to operate efficiently and reliably, supporting your overall goal of streamlined, automated workflows. Let's walk through the process of creating a scheduled job step by step. First, you'll want to access the module by navigating to System Definition and then selecting Scheduled Jobs within the Application Navigator. This is where you'll find the interface to set up your job. Once you're there, the key is to choose the appropriate job type, whether it's a script for custom code, a report for scheduled report delivery, or an import set for data imports, depending on what you need to automate. After selecting the job type, you'll configure the schedule itself. This involves defining whether the job runs just once or repeats at specific intervals, such as daily, weekly, monthly, or even custom patterns that suit your requirements. Finally, you'll specify what happens when the job executes. This includes writing the logic for execution, handling any errors that might occur, and setting up logging to keep track of the process. By following this workflow, setting up your first scheduled job becomes straightforward, and ServiceNow's intuitive interface guides you through each step smoothly. When planning job schedules, it's really important to carefully choose the intervals to prevent overlapping jobs. Overlaps can lead to resource conflicts and might impact overall system performance. One effective way to do this is by configuring jobs to run at specific times, like Monday through Friday at 9:00 a.m., 2:00 p.m., and 4:00 p.m., using time-based condition logic. This approach helps ensure that jobs run smoothly without competing for resources. Additionally, we can enhance precision timing by using condition scripts. These scripts evaluate whether a job should run, checking factors like business hours, data availability, or system states before starting. It's a way to make sure jobs only run when they're actually needed. We can also create complex schedules that are more targeted, such as running only on specific weekdays at designated hours. This helps avoid unnecessary system load and ensures jobs execute exactly when required. ServiceNow offers powerful scheduling features beyond simple intervals. For example, the Run Periodically option combined with conditional scripts gives us fine-grained control over when jobs run. Overall, using flexible timing strategies and advanced scheduling options allows us to optimize system performance, prevent conflicts, and ensure our jobs execute precisely when needed. When managing scheduled jobs, it's crucial to maintain detailed documentation of all these tasks, what they do, when they run, and why they exist. This helps us prevent conflicts and makes troubleshooting much easier when issues arise. Clear documentation serves as our roadmap, ensuring everyone understands the system's workflow. Next, we need to identify and disable jobs that cause bottlenecks. Sometimes, a job might be slowing down the entire system. In those cases, adjusting the timing or optimizing the scripts can help keep our system responsive and efficient. It's all about fine-tuning to ensure smooth operations. Reliability is key, so implementing retry logic and comprehensive error handling is essential. This way, even if temporary issues occur, our jobs have a chance to complete successfully without manual intervention. Building resilience into our processes ensures stability and trust in our automation. We also have to keep a close eye on the health of these jobs. Monitoring through system logs, execution history, and performance dashboards allows us to spot problems early. Setting up alerts for failed jobs or unusual execution times keeps us proactive rather than reactive. Finally, managing scheduled jobs at scale, especially in large enterprise environments, requires robust strategies. When hundreds or thousands of tasks are running, reliable monitoring and management become even more critical to maintain performance and dependability across the entire system. It's all about ensuring our automation runs smoothly, no matter how complex the environment gets. Pro tip: review your scheduled jobs quarterly to identify optimization opportunities and remove unnecessary automation that may have accumulated over time. Regularly auditing and archiving obsolete scheduled jobs helps keep your system clean and efficient. Creating folders or categories can make navigation much easier, especially as your job list grows. Group related jobs logically using clear naming conventions to improve manageability. Organized management is key to maintaining a smooth workflow. Implementing business logic to skip redundant executions is another smart move. Checking for data changes before processing full datasets can save resources. Use targeted conditions to run jobs only when necessary, avoiding unnecessary runs. Consolidating similar tasks into fewer, more efficient jobs can reduce complexity and improve performance. Scheduling resource-intensive jobs during off-peak hours helps minimize system impact during busy periods. Limiting the frequency of jobs prevents overloading your system with unnecessary tasks. By following these proven optimization strategies, you ensure your scheduled jobs enhance your system's performance rather than hinder it. Ultimately, these best practices are about making your automation work smarter, not harder, and keeping your system running smoothly. Now, let's talk about how custom buttons on property pages can really enhance your experience. These buttons give you intuitive, easy access to manually execute jobs, which means you have greater control and can significantly reduce wait times for initial syncs or urgent tasks. It's all about empowering you to act swiftly when needed. Speaking of empowerment, these controls allow administrators to have self-service capabilities for common automation needs. Instead of waiting for scheduled runs, you can trigger important tasks directly from the interface. This is especially critical during emergency situations, where triggering a critical data sync or cleanup operation can make a real difference in response times. Another key point is testing and validation. Before committing to automated schedules, you can verify your job configurations on demand. This helps ensure everything runs smoothly and reduces the risk of errors down the line. And of course, immediate control is a big advantage. Sometimes, you need a job to run right away, not in a scheduled window. With these custom buttons, you can execute jobs instantly, giving you the flexibility to respond promptly to changing circumstances. Overall, while automation is incredibly powerful, giving you manual control enhances flexibility and user satisfaction. It allows you to decide when and how tasks are executed, which is vital for managing dynamic environments effectively. Now let's look at some practical ways we can manage data synchronization effectively. First, we have the manual Execute Now button on the property page. This feature gives administrators the flexibility to trigger a sync at any time, which is especially useful when urgent updates are needed. It allows for immediate control without waiting for scheduled jobs. Next, there's the on-demand control, which works alongside scheduled jobs. These jobs run every night at 2:00 a.m. to ensure that external data stays up to date automatically. This approach helps maintain current information without requiring manual effort every time. Moving on, the automated maintenance process is quite streamlined. Administrators simply configure API credentials within the application's property page and then click Execute Now to start the first data load immediately. This initial setup gets everything running smoothly right from the start. When it comes to application installation, users can install third-party integration apps directly from the ServiceNow store. These apps are designed to automatically create pre-configured scheduled jobs for data synchronization, making setup quick and hassle-free. Finally, this example illustrates how scheduled jobs seamlessly integrate with ServiceNow store applications. It's a practical demonstration of delivering reliable, continuous data synchronization, which is fundamental for maintaining accurate and timely information across systems. This aligns perfectly with our overall theme of efficient and flexible data management. Now, let's look at some of the essential tools and resources that can really help you master ServiceNow's scheduled jobs. Built-in ServiceNow tools are incredibly valuable for tracking job execution history, performance metrics, and understanding the overall system impact. These insights allow you to optimize your processes based on real data, making your automation more efficient and reliable. Additionally, monitoring dashboards provide visual summaries that make it easier to spot issues or trends at a glance, helping you stay proactive rather than reactive. For more hands-on learning, YouTube channels offer step-by-step demonstrations on scripting, advanced scheduling patterns, and optimization techniques. These tutorials can be a great way to see concepts in action and learn best practices from experts. Connecting with experienced system administrators through community forums is another powerful resource. Here, you can exchange tips, scripts, and solutions based on real-world scenarios, which can save you time and help you troubleshoot more effectively. Finally, ServiceNow Docs is your comprehensive guidebook. It covers everything from configuring scheduled jobs, understanding API references, to troubleshooting common issues. Staying familiar with these official resources ensures you're always up to date with the latest features and best practices. By leveraging these tools and resources, you'll be well equipped to master ServiceNow scheduled jobs and keep your systems running smoothly and efficiently. Ready to get started? Today's the day to begin configuring your very first scheduled job. Imagine how this simple step can unlock the transformative power of ServiceNow automation in your organization. Once you set this up, your workflows will never be the same again. Scheduled jobs give administrators manual controls, comprehensive monitoring tools, and self-service capabilities. This means you can manage tasks more efficiently, keep a close eye on performance, and empower your team to handle routine operations independently. It's all about empowering your teams. By scheduling jobs strategically, you can optimize system efficiency and ensure responsiveness during your busiest business hours. This way, your system runs smoothly without sacrificing agility. Automation is the key to performance. By automating routine tasks, you eliminate hours of manual work, reduce human error, and free up your staff to focus on higher-value initiatives that really drive your business forward. And the best part? This intelligent automation works around the clock. Scheduled jobs help you ensure data consistency, eliminate manual efforts, and give your team the freedom to focus on strategic priorities. So, let's unlock the full power of automation with scheduled jobs. It's a game changer that can truly elevate your ServiceNow experience and your organization's overall efficiency.